Welcome back. I'm going to try something different today called Kitchen Science with Kathy. When my kids were younger, I used to do science experiments with them at home, so I hope you like these. You need a jar. It's all clean. There used to be spaghetti sauce in it, but I washed it out after I eat some spaghetti, and you could do the same, but have your mom or dad wash it out and eat the spaghetti first. Vegetable oil. This is called corn syrup. Some plain old water, and some bubbles. It's a layering experiment. We want to try to see if we can make layers of liquids or if everything's gonna mix all together. All right, so first, corn syrup. That was this one. I'm gonna put it at the very bottom. That's the first layer. Make a nice layer of that. All right. Let me show you that. See that brown layer? That's my corn syrup. And next, plain old water. Let's see what happens. Do you think it will mix together? Nope. So now I see two layers, water, corn syrup. Now, vegetable oil. That's our third layer. I'm gonna pour that on top. Let's see what happens to this layer. Do you think it will float? Oh, look at how many layers do we have now? 1, 2, 3 layers. Now let's see what happens when we add bubbles, just for fun. This is just dishwashing liquid. So I poured it in there. Oh, it looks like it's kind of going through. We're going to let that sit for a little bit, and then we're going to come back and talk about that. So I'm going to put this on top of my basket so you can kind of watch it and see what happens. Move it closer. All right. Well, we give that a second, and I'm going to tell you a couple jokes while that's working. Why did Mickey Mouse go to space? You think he wanted to see Donald Duck? Nope. Pluto. You get it? Pluto's his dog friend and a planet. What is a tornado's favorite game to play? Now your parents might know this one. Twister. That's a game that we used to play, but you guys might have played it too, and a name for a tornado. Last one. What kind of hair does an ocean have? Wavy. Get it, like the waves and how people have wavy hair. Mine's a little wavy. All right, let's go back and look at the experiment now. So I can see the corn syrup here. Do you remember what we put next? That's right, water, oil, and then we added some bubbles. Do you see what happened to that? I see them kind of sitting on top of the corn syrup. So the bubbles was able to go through the oil and the water, but not the corn syrup. So that's the heaviest. Other way, you could try different liquids and see what would happen. If I had more, I could add more. You could also see if things could float or sink. I'll try one thing. I'm going to grab a pencil and see what happens to the pencil. Give me a second here. I found a yellow pencil here, and I'm going to see what happens. Oh, that's heavy, so it was able to go through all of them. Oh, now it's kind of drippy. Now I'm going to see what would happen if I take my pencil and try to mix it up. What do you think will happen? Mix, 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 mix. Okay, then I'm going to take my pencil out, and we're going to give it a second. It might also be fun if you had a cap to it to mix it up. But look at everything mixed together except for the corn syrup. So I'd like you, if you want to try different ways. I'm going to try one more thing before we go and add some food color, liquid watercolor, just to see what happens. So I added some to it. Remember, I mixed it all up, and it just stayed at the top. So it's just kind of fun. Can you see that? It's just kind of a fun experiment. Oh, look what I found. I found a cap. So let's see. One more thing. We're going to try to shake it. Make sure it's on there really good. We're going to mix that blue up. Let's see if we can get through that corn syrup. Do you think we can? Let's see. Nope. But it's fun. Now you got bubbles on top, your watered oil, and your corn syrup. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned and we'll see what experiment I have next. Bye-bye.